Hello everyone and welcome back this small talk English conversation. First of all, very good morning everyone, those who are watching me, because it's a morning time and it is very productive, those who really want to improve English level. So first wake up early in the morning and just trying to do a practice in such kind of video or such kind of English speaking practice in front of camera. And the thing is that I have a story which gives you a impressive message or a lesson which you can apply in your daily basis. There were two seeds. What? There were two seeds. A old gardener, held two seeds in his hand. First seed said, I won't grow. I will wait until the weather might be clean and the soil soft and the sun shine in a good way. If the condition might be, then I will grow. And the second seed said, I really don't know what the future holds, but I know I was made for grow. Yes, the second seed replied, I really don't know what the future holds, but I know I was made for grow and giving shades and fruits. But the first seed what said? I will wait until the weather might be clean, soil soft, and the rain might be and the sun around to shine. If this condition possible, then I will be grow. The gardener planted both seeds in the soil, and the second seed just pushed in the dark soil, and it faces many difficulties. Very hard sunshine, and very the air blows very fastly, which bend the plant. But after facing difficulties, the second seed be strong and give the fruit and give the shade also. But the second seed not grow. It is still waiting for the perfect time. The reason is that it can't be grow and it might be very soft. It was very soft, and until one day the bird saw that plant and ate the plant and said die. What the future prediction? The second seed grow and give fruits and seeds, and after many years, a traveler came across that place, and it was just relaxing under that tree and enjoying the fruit which given by that tree, and it was very shocked. And finally the traveler asked to the gardener how it became very hard, very soft, and very delicious food, and it is giving very delicious fruit. What's the reason behind it? The gardener said there were two seeds. One seed said about that if the perfect time might be held, then I will be grow. But the second seed said, I really don't know what the future prediction and what the future hold, but I know I was made for grow. The second seed faced many difficulties, and after difficulties it became a very hard, very good substances, and it giving seeds and also giving fruits, and many people enjoying. So that's the beauty, because it is very tasty and it is giving a shade. It's not a easy, because it faces many difficulties, so that's why it is here, and it might be survive for a long period of time. So same as the lesson is that same, we don't have to be wait for the perfect time. We have to do such things by action rapidly. We have to take action until wait for a perfect time. We don't have to wait for a perfect time. Despite these many difficulties, you can do a better things. Don't behave like a first seed who always used to say that I will wait for the perfect time until I won't grow. If the time might be perfect, then I will do such kind of action. But the second seed said, I really don't know what's the perfect time. I really know the reason is that I'm here for the doing something amazing. So you are here for doing something amazing and make a future in a good way. So you have to make it right here, right now. Don't wait for the perfect. Be perfect and start from now and take action. Why you are able to speak English? Because you are doing hard work, you are doing practice, so you can able to speak. But suppose that you can't talk like this way and you didn't take action. So would it be possible to speak in a good way? Because where I am it is raining and I'm still making videos, because I know if I do in this way then I can grow rapidly, and it also helps me to think in a better way, because raining is very hardly. So I have to just close my video a few seconds ago. So don't worry about it. After a couple of seconds I will. Now finally rain has stopped and it is drizzling, means it's raining very lightly, but I want to continue this video. And what you learn from this story which I have narrated earlier, so the thing is that we have to take action. Just trying to doing any kind of doing a practice or doing a in front of a mirror. So right here right now, because I don't have any script, because my hands are right up in the air, but I still trying to make a such kind of video or a speeches which is I'm just thinking inwardly in my mind and just trying to speak in front of you. Why it's happened? Because I'm doing practice, and if you watch my first video you can't imagine I was just speaking like that kind of way. But now right here right now I can able to think, I can able to speak, I can able to elaborate the things in a good way. And my approach is that you should also just trying to implement everything in your daily basis and just trying to do practice and related to nature. And every single day if you do in this way, then sooner or later you will be the perfect. And don't procrastinate the things which you are doing, and always stick on the things which gives you benefits, which gives you a everyday new lesson, and just trying to learn something new amazing while you are speaking. Because if you just trying to make a such type of topic or reading a such kind of notes and just trying to explain in front of camera or in front of mirror, so because it's your thought, you just learn and just think about that, and you are just speaking by your own word, then the thing will happen. If I'm not saying that you have to learn the script and just trying to speak in front of camera, if you do in this way then you won't be able to cross the level of your English and criticism. But the thing is that you have to just learn some new stories or a paragraph, just so what the thing is just trying to make you understand. And after reading the story, just trying to elaborate by your own word. If you do in this way, then you will be the perfect. I hope this video helpful you a little bit. If this helpful, so don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure also subscribe my channel. So goodbye, take care, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye for now.